Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. It's still your girl Josie Passion. Guys, today I clocked 9 months, 36 weeks of pregnant, and you know what happened? I fell down the staircase. As I was going down the staircase with a friend, gisting, enjoying ourselves, laughing, I forgot I was pregnant and I missed one foot. Before I know it, I found myself on the floor. I hit my stomach on the floor, guys, and I couldn't get up again. A lot of people came to carry me up and they called the hospital. I was rushed to the hospital. I was so afraid when I hit my stomach because I was thinking maybe something will go wrong. Maybe I've hit the baby's head on the floor. So guys, I thank God that they later discharged me today. After spending a night there, they took very good care of me, guys. You cannot imagine. They took very good care of me. I'm so happy that they discharged me. So I'm going home now. See you guys later. Don't look at this, my big nose. Concentrate on the video. I'm in the hospital now. They are monitoring the heartbeat of the baby and the pulse of the baby. As you can see in the machine there, the heartbeat and the pulse is rotating, moving up and down. Here I am, relaxing, though a bit hungry because I've not eaten since afternoon and it's like almost evening now. I've been here on this machine for like almost 1 hour, guys. I've been here for 1 hour. They just want to know if everything is okay with the baby, and these are the things that they plugged me on my stomach. After monitoring me, I went straight to the kitchen, the hospital kitchen, and grabbed some dinner. A lot of foods here. You just have to prepare food by yourself and it's free of charge. Because I've been so hungry, I have to eat 4 slices of bread. Normally, I eat 2 slices since I became pregnant, but before I eat only 1 slice of bread. And they have a lot of things you can eat the bread with. You just have to make your choice. And after preparing my food, I headed straight to my room. Let me just take you guys along to my room. This is my room, room 5419. So let's go inside and see what the inside looks like. Yeah, this is my bag and my jacket already here inside the room. And over here is the bed that I will be sleeping on this night. And the other side, they have another bed for the visitor. That's where my husband will be sleeping this night because he'll be coming over this night after work. By the left side here is veranda. I have veranda here, and when you look out, you will see the beautiful color of the night with the snow that is outside. It's very cold, guys. Over here is a small computer that you can also use as TV to watch any TV station. You can as well use it and search anything on internet and listen to radio. Here is the wall art. Let's take a walk to the bedroom and the toilet. Yeah, here is the toilet and the bedroom together. It's like a self-con, guys. They call here hotel. The cupboard here, they have nightwears, towels, pad, underwear. This is the type of apartment they will put you after giving birth. It's self-con, guys. And here is my toilet. The red rope is a signal alarm. Maybe when I'm sitting on the toilet, if I find it difficult to get up, I will ring them and they will rush in here to help me out. So guys, here is the timetable for food, breakfast, lunch and dinner. I'm done taking my bath. I'm lying down on the bed, about to watch television and see what is happening in Norway. I'm also waiting for my husband to arrive and the nurses that have night duty to come and check me before I sleep. I'm so tired right now, guys. I wish the nurse will arrive just now so that I will catch some sleep. But I thank God that everything is under control, guys, because I was so scared when I fell down. I hit my stomach on the floor. After rolling the staircase, that was still remaining about 6 for me to finish descending the stairs. But guys, I thank God that everything is okay. As of now, everything seems to be okay. See how fine I'm looking, oh. 9 months pregnant and I'm still looking this fine. Is it not God? I'm so happy. I can't wait for this journey to end. The night duty nurse has arrived and she's checking me now. But that thing I'm holding is what I will click on once the baby kicks. But my stomach, OMG, the stomach can scratch me for the whole world. And I had no clue that I will end up in the hospital today. That's why I don't have any cream on me now. So, nothing to use to relieve the pain. I will just be sleeping like that this night. Hubby is telling me to smile, but he will not understand. So guys, I'll be ending this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Have you experienced something like this when you were pregnant? Have you at a time fall down? Please comment below and tell us how it went. We'll be reading your comments.